Hello there, let's take a brief look now at the weather for the week ahead. So we saw out the last day of meteorological winter with plenty of blue sky and sunshine across the UK. Really glorious day, in fact, and there's lots to look forward to for March too. So Saturday marks not just St David's Day, but also the first day of the meteorological spring. Astronomical spring begins on the 20th with the spring equinox. Then clocks will spring forward at the end of the month, but sunrise already before 7 towards the east, sunset after 6 in the west, and you can check all the sunrise and sunset times of course on the BBC weather app. But there's a lot more early spring sunshine to come as we head through the next few days. Still some rather chilly nights though, especially underneath that area of high pressure. Some frosty starts still, but you can see these weather fronts just edging down from the north and the west. As they bump into that area of high pressure, they will be weakening. So on Saturday morning then, some mist and fog, particularly across parts of East Anglia, patches of that elsewhere too, or lift and clear. Our front has weakened, so just cloud, perhaps a few outbreaks of drizzle across northern England, North Wales by the time we get to the afternoon. Sunshine behind the front, sunshine too ahead of the front with some high cloud, and starting to turn a bit milder in the far north and the west. Now high pressure hangs on as we head through Sunday, keeping us dry and settled, but always windier out towards the north and the west with these brisk southwesterly winds, particularly for the Western Isles, the Northern Isles as well. But again, it's mostly dry on Sunday. Here's the remnants of our front. The clouds starting to break up here, so some sunny spells developing. Best of the sunshine probably across southern England, South Wales and into eastern Scotland, where temperatures could peak as high as 12 degrees Celsius perhaps. And then high pressure sticks towards the southern half of the UK as we head into the start of next week. It's going nowhere for the time being. Again, the front's weakening as they bump into that high. Still windy out towards the Northern Isles as we head through Monday. There's a lot more cloud for northwest Scotland, across Northern Ireland, perhaps a few showery outbreaks of rain here, but generally dry again. The best of the sunshine across southern England and South Wales, but temperatures starting to rise now to above the seasonal average, 12 or 13 degrees Celsius for many in the north and the west. More of the same too as we head through Tuesday, so high pressure still dominant in the south. You can see the squeeze on the isobars. The winds are picking up again for northwest Scotland in particular, where we'll start to see some outbreaks of rain push southwards and eastwards, and some of that rain could be heavy, particularly over the mountains. Temperatures widely now 11 to 13 degrees Celsius, best of the sunshine further south and east with that area of high pressure. And then the high will still be towards the south, but it starts to retreat a little further eastwards. As you can see, we're on the mild side of the jet stream. Here it is to the north of the UK. So you can see where we've got the deeper yellow colours, that's where that milder air is set to stay. So still some colder, frosty nights perhaps towards the south for a while. And as we head through the end of the week, you can see the high pulls away, low pressure starts to send fronts towards us. So the southerly to southwesterly wind will be picking up and there'll be further outbreaks of rain. So it does look quite unsettled as we head towards the end of next week. Here's the temperature outlook for our capital cities. Plenty of sunshine on Wednesday and Thursday, but then afterwards we'll see some spells of rain and it could turn rather windy. Keep an eye on things on the BBC weather app.